One sunny afternoon in a peaceful forest, Timmy the turtle was digging in his backyard, searching for buried treasures. Suddenly, his shovel hit something hard. Curious, Timmy cleared the dirt away to reveal an old, rusty box. Excited, he called out, "Clara! Ollie! Come quick!" Clara the cat, known for her curiosity, came running, and Ollie the owl, wise and thoughtful, flew down from his perch. "What did you find, Timmy?" Clara asked, her eyes wide with excitement. "It's a treasure box," Timmy replied, brushing off the dirt. With Ollie's help, they pried it open. Inside the box, they discovered several interesting items: a colorful toy, an old letter with faded handwriting, and a picture of 3 little animals, Timmy, Clara, and Ollie, when they were just babies. "What do you think these things are?" Clara wondered, picking up the toy. Ollie examined the letter. "It seems to be a note from someone who used to live here. It talks about friendship and memories." Intrigued, Timmy said, "Let's share our memories. What was your favorite moment when we were young?" Clara smiled and recalled a time they climbed the tallest tree together. "We felt like we could touch the sky," she laughed. Ollie shared a memory of the first time he learned to fly. "I flapped my wings so hard I nearly fell. But you both cheered me on." Timmy thought for a moment and shared his favorite memory of a rainy day spent building a giant mud fort. "We had so much fun splashing around."
As they reminisced, Timmy had an idea. Why don't we create our own time capsule? We can fill it with things that represent who we are now. Clara's eyes sparkled. That sounds amazing. Let's do it. The friends set out to gather items for their new capsule. Clara chose her favorite book about adventure. Timmy found a shiny shell that reminded him of the ocean. Ollie picked a small notebook filled with his dreams and ideas. They wrote little notes about what they wanted to achieve in the future, sharing their hopes and dreams.
When they had everything ready, they went back to the same spot in the backyard. Together, they placed the items in a new, brightly decorated box and buried it with care. "We'll open this when we're older," Ollie said, looking at his friends. "It'll be fun to see how we've changed." As they sat together, enjoying the moment, Timmy said, "I'm so glad we're friends. No matter how much we grow, our memories will always connect us."
Clara and Ollie nodded in agreement. They knew their friendship was a treasure that would last a lifetime. With smiles on their faces and dreams in their hearts, they left the backyard, excited for all the adventures yet to come.
Moral: cherishing memories helps us grow, and dreaming about the future can inspire us to be our best selves.
Subscribe to my channel.